The reason that I joined the team here is that when I visited our Kansas City site, I saw something I've never really seen in the analytical space. Again, I've been working in many analytical labs. I've been in this industry for over 20 years. And the site here, the level of expertise that the scientists have, and not only that, because you can find experts everywhere, it's the care that they show to our customers, which ultimately translates to better outcomes for our patients.
When I think of how the Kansas City team contributes to supporting the patient's outcomes, essentially at the end of the day, we're all working towards a solution to help a patient who is in need with the disease or that's looking for a therapy. Analytical is one of the key links in the chain of the drug development cycle. And so when a product is manufactured, there's always a laboratory on the back end or supporting it through the process. And so when I see a new program come through our site, I see a large team of folks working to help achieve that goal. And it's not always easy. There's setbacks, there's challenges along the way, but when they persevere and succeed, that's really where I see patient first, because there's a person on the end waiting for that therapy to make it to them.
Because we have this separate Analytical Center of Excellence, it really sets our customers up well to engage with as much or as little of the Catalent network as makes sense for their program. First, it is important for our customers to have an independent analytical laboratory, a standalone analytical laboratory in certain situations. One of those could be if they are manufacturing at various CDMOs or they're manufacturing in-house and they want to reduce the variability that comes along with having to set up your assays at various different laboratories. So that's one optionality here that we see customers take advantage of, is to centralize their method development and their assay validation to one lab to minimize that variability. Now, where integration can become important is when a customer moves on to commercialize their program. They are going to want to consider not only redundancy of supply from an assay perspective, but a security of supply, right? We know things happen. We know sometimes instrumentation goes down. And as much as we built redundancy into the site here in Kansas City, we also have redundancy across the Catalent network that provides our commercial customers a sense of ease that they have redundancy built into the network.
When you think about analytical equipment or instrumentations, there's a lot of tools in a scientist's toolbox. Here at Kansas City, we have a very large set of laboratories with lots of redundancies and equipment. When you think about the analytical space, no one single assay can determine purity or potency. It really takes an orthogonal approach. And so here we have that equipment, that technology to deliver that orthogonal approach. And really understanding that product variant, product quality profile is really key to the overall CMC submission, the IND package on the characterization side. When I think patient first, it's a Catalent value. Though I see it demonstrated and lived by people on site every day. People have families, they have friends. Everybody at some point will have some disease or some illness that comes along the way. We're all looking for therapies to help ourselves or help our family members. Helping to be part of that process to deliver a medicine or a therapeutic to somebody is really fulfilling. Now, along the way in the drug development or the supply chain, there's challenges, there's pitfalls. But where I see it come to play here at the site is the team members really rally around challenges. They really work towards solving that problem quickly, efficiently, understanding the problem, coming up with solutions, and moving forward. Really, that is a patient-first mindset.
We all choose to be here. We all choose to be here because it's not just a job for us. The analytics and the science is fun. It's what we trained for. But what brings us all together here is that we know the system that we work within allows us to impact patients, and in some cases, impacting patients improves quality of life. In the most inspiring cases, it saves lives. And that's pretty inspiring to wake up every day and get to come and do a job that has the potential to save lives.